I'm Joe from Slingmods, here with another easy to follow install video for one of the products we sell. Allow me to introduce our battery jumpstart port kit by Trick LED. Now if you're a Slingshot owner, you likely know that the vehicle's battery is located in the back of the vehicle on the driver's side underneath a plastic panel next to the drive wheel. If you have a dead battery, you're going to need the necessary tools to remove that plastic panel. And even with that panel removed, the battery terminals are somewhat difficult to access. The goal with our kit is to make jump starting or quick charging far more convenient, so that you're not stuck on the side of the road for long periods of time, possibly risking your safety depending on where you are. Before we install this kit, let's take a closer look at its components.
You may find a cheaper kit on the market, but cheaper is the operative word. Unlike other jumper kits available for the Slingshot, our kit features high-quality components. With our kit, you're getting U.S.A. sourced solid brass and copper, including the posts and bolts themselves. The wires are made in the U.S.A. and they're 4-gauge 100% copper. The other kits available on the market are Chinese-made undersized copper-clad aluminum wire. In addition, our wires are a full 16 inches in length, and we use full coverage rubber boots to keep the post protected from the elements, unlike the plastic boots you'll find in the cheaper kits. We also include a free 1 1/4 inch hole saw bit that will be used to drill the post holes, which will save you time and money. With a flat screwdriver, remove these 2 pins here. Then with a T40 Torx bit, remove these 2 bolts here. Once you've removed the pins and bolts, remove the access panel to the battery. Remove this rubber block holding the battery to the tray. Now I'm going to disconnect the battery's ground wire from the frame. Now I'm going to slide the battery slightly to give me more clearance to remove the positive battery terminal. Now I'm going to tuck the power wire out of the way, and the battery should slide straight out. Now it's time to drill our holes in this area. Be sure to put the seat all the way forward to minimize the possibility of hitting it with your drill bit. Now attach your bit to your drill. I've chosen a location a couple inches off of the floor. You can use this bolt for reference to see where I'm drilling. You don't have to drill exactly where I'm drilling. You can pick a spot that works best for you. Just make sure the included cables will reach the location before drilling your holes. Now remove the locking collars from both posts. Place the positive post through the first hole and reinstall your locking collar. Install the negative post the same way. Now it's time to install our cables. Remove the nut and the locking washer behind it. Install the battery cable, tighten the nut and washer, and cover it with a rubber boot. Install the negative cable the same way. Install the negative battery cable onto the factory terminal, then remove the terminal. This will allow you the clearance you need to reinstall the battery onto the tray. Once you have the battery into position, reinstall and tighten the negative battery terminal. With your battery on the tray, reinstall your positive terminal along with your positive cable from the jump port. Now reinstall your ground wire and rubber block to hold the battery in place. Once you're finished, you can reinstall your plastic panel and you're all set.
Well, that's it, guys. That's how you install our battery jump port kit. If you want to add a level of safety and convenience to your Slingshot, you're going to want this product, and it's available at slingmods.com.
Come on, say it, whoa. Come on, say it, all you want. In your system, endorphins listen.
Open it.
It's really tight.
Is it tight?
It's really tight.
You don't like it tight, do you?
It's too tight.
Do you want a towel
No.
for your little hand?
No, I want you to do it. Stop being such an a-hole.
Yeah, there you go.
Jiu-jitsu grip.
It says your name, but like, is that a rabbit?
Yes.
Listen.